Buying a DJI drone in 2026 is tougher than ever. Not because there are poor choices, but because there are just too many good ones. The DJI product lineup is chock full. All of them sound incredible, and it's difficult to distinguish what's actually practical versus just marketing fluff. So, I'm here to save you from hours of watching spec video after spec video. In this video, I'll walk you through the best DJI drones of 2026 based on actual performance, camera quality, battery life, and who each drone is actually for. No confusing rankings, no marketing speak, just the drones that are worth your cash and the ones you should avoid. Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or looking for cinematic shots, there's a definitive best choice for you. Stick around until the end because my #1 pick may surprise you. Hit that subscribe button for honest reviews and actual buying advice, and check out the links in the description for the latest deals. Let's get started. Number 5. DJI Neo 2. The DJI Neo 2 is one of the best drones for beginners, especially if you are a complete newbie. It weighs only 151 grams, so it doesn't need to be registered in many countries, and it is light and safe enough to fly without worrying about expensive crashes. It is ideal for those who are still trying out the hobby or for those who are casually creating content. What makes it so beginner-friendly is its easy-to-use controls. You can fly it without a controller, track it with AI using your phone, or use a controller when you are ready for more control. The Neo 2 has a 12-megapixel camera that shoots 4K video with smooth stabilization. It's not intended for movie-grade video shooting, but for amateur videographers, travelers, and vloggers, it's more than adequate. The flight stability is good even in light air, thanks to DJI's optimized flight control system. The presence of obstacle detection and return-to-home functions adds an extra layer of confidence, especially for beginners. The battery life is 25 to 30 minutes, depending on usage, which is quite good for a mini drone like this. Overall, the Neo 2 is a great option if you are looking for a lightweight, easy-to-fly, and affordable drone that will teach you the fundamentals while still delivering professional-grade video quality. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is a whole different type of drone, one that is centered on immersive FPV experiences instead of traditional aerial photography. By donning the included goggles, you get a whole different perspective on things, one that allows you to fly through tight spaces, under bridges, or around obstacles as if you were right inside the drone itself. It's like a video game, but it's all real footage. Priced at around $1,099 for the drone alone, the Avata 2 is aimed at enthusiasts who want cinematic, first-person footage without having to build their own FPV drone. The drone is highly agile and responsive, and with the included propeller guards and GPS, it's very forgiving for new pilots learning to fly FPV. Stabilized 4K video ensures that even at high speeds, the footage is smooth, and the drone's ability to hover precisely and avoid obstacles helps to prevent crashes. The special motion controller is very intuitive and easy to learn compared to the traditional dual-stick controllers, so it can be used even by those who have never flown an FPV drone before. Battery life is decent for this type of drone, allowing enough time for a session to record dynamic footage. The Avata 2 is ideal for adventure sports, fast travel vlogs, or interior tours, providing a thrilling and immersive flight experience that no regular drone can provide. It is not ideal for regular photography, but if FPV flying is what you are after, then this is one of the most enjoyable and capable drones out there. Number 3. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is a mid-range drone designed for content creators who demand professional performance without the premium price tag. With a starting price of $1,099, it offers a fantastic blend of image quality, flight capabilities, and intelligent features that make it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. The dual camera setup is the standout feature here. The primary camera has a 1-inch sensor that performs admirably in low-light environments, recording crisp 4K video at 60 frames per second, and the 70mm telephoto lens enables optical zooming without the need to move the drone. Additionally, both cameras support vertical shooting at 2.7K resolution, which is great for social media sharing. The stabilization system is also robust, providing smooth video capture even when flying at high speeds or in light winds. Flight safety is top-notch, thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle detection and visual return to home feature. The drone relies on sensors instead of GPS alone, which makes it less prone to RTH failure in complex environments. The drone's flight time is 40 to 45 minutes, which is more than enough for an all-day shoot. The Air 3S drone finds the perfect middle ground between versatility and reliability. The drone is ideal for landscape, cinematic video, travel, and any other type of shoot that demands precise and safe flight. The drone provides all the necessary features without any unnecessary extras. Number 2. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a mini drone that provides surprisingly professional results in a travel-friendly package. Weighing less than 250 grams, this drone flies under the radar in terms of registration in many countries while still offering advanced features that bigger drones provide. Starting at $899 for the base model, this drone is perfect for travelers, vloggers, or anyone who actually wants to take their drone on vacation with them. The Mini 5 Pro comes with sensors on all sides for obstacle detection, making it a much safer drone to fly in close quarters. Its 1-inch sensor provides excellent image quality with clear photos and 4K video. It also supports vertical video recording in 2.7K and 10-bit D-Log color. The single lens design does not offer much versatility when it comes to zooming, but for most users, the camera will be more than enough. When it comes to flight, the drone performs well, with a flight time of 30 to 35 minutes on a single battery, excellent stabilization, and good control. The controller is of high quality and does not feel cheap, and the portability of the drone makes it perfect for impromptu shots. Number 1. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a professional drone for content creators who require the utmost flexibility and image capabilities. With a starting price of $1,799, this drone has so much more to offer than the average consumer drone, such as triple cameras, 6K video, 2 telephoto lenses, and a gimbal that rotates. This is a drone for serious filmmakers and commercial use. The camera system provides great detail, dynamic range, and smooth footage, and the triple camera system provides creative options for different shots. The 168mm telephoto lens is great for long-range shots, but the main lens is what will be used most. Sports mode allows flight speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, and almost an hour of flight time is more than enough for professional video coverage. Flight dynamics are easy to control, and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance systems ensure the safety of the drone even in complex environments. Intelligent flight features allow for automatic execution of cinematic maneuvers, making it easier for operators to record high-quality video footage with minimal effort. The Mavic 4 Pro is certainly overkill for hobbyists, but it is the perfect tool for professionals who require a reliable and versatile drone that can handle any situation. It is certainly one of the best drones that DJI has to offer in 2026. There isn't a single best DJ drone. It all comes down to what you actually want to do. Just starting out? Neo 2. Most versatile? Air 3S. Travel a lot? Mini 5 Pro. Professional use? Mavic 3 Classic or Mavic 4 Pro if you want it all. FPV drone enthusiast? Avata 2 is your choice. Be honest with yourself about what you actually need and can afford. Don't buy more drone than you actually plan on using. The drone you take with you is always better than the one you leave at home. Read the links in the description for the latest deals at official stores. Now go fly with your drone of choice. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on which DJ drone you would choose for your next adventure.